Sam! Hi.
Tagal mo.
Sorry. Pero dala ko na yung cam. Para saan ba to?
Dahil training partners na tayo, hindi ba mas maganda kung may documentation tayo?
Yeah.
Tsaka, everyday na to, ah. You know, I want you to be faster than me.
Sure.
Just follow my program.
Okay.
How about this? Every time I outrun you, may consequence. Deal?
Okay.
Game.
Deal. I am! Sino mo kaya kita? Wow! Sab, thank you nga pala.
Para saan?
For this.
For torturing you?
Kasama na yun. What I mean is, thank you for everything. Thank you at palagi mo akong inaaya. Kasi, alam mo, when I first got back here in the Philippines, everything was new to me. Wala na akong bagong ginawa eh. And I was just a homebody along with my lolo. Kasi, hindi niya na kayang paandarin yung business niya ever since he got into the accident.
Ano bang work ng lolo mo?
He used to be a souvenir photographer sa Luneta. And actually, sa kanya ako natuto mag-take ng photos. I mean, for a while, I studied in the States. My family is actually settled na there. But ako yung kakagraduate lang sa amin, so I was the one who had to go back here to the Philippines to take care of Lolo when he got paralyzed. Which is fine. Everything was new here. Lahat ng friends ko were either focused with their jobs or, funnily enough, love life. And di ko man nakalain at first, but when I first met you and you really took the time to hang out with me and asked me to train with you, I felt na maybe destiny talaga. I hope that it's you and me. Ito, finish line.
Brian, I'm happy we got to talk na ganito. Pero I just...
Teka. Lo? Teka.
Hey. Brian?
Lo! Lo! Sab, sulungan mo nga ako. Lo! Oh! Lex! Okay ka na po ba, Lo?
Oo.
Lo! Dito na lang po kayo, Mika.
Nihintay kasi kitang dumating, nakatulog ako, nalaglag ako.
Okay lang po, Lo.
Pasensya na, Iha, ha? Ikaw ba yung nililigawan nitong... yung ano yung trainer nitong apo ko.
Opo, Lo. Siya po.
Good evening ho. Grabe naman ho. Friends lang po kami.
Ouch! Ouch!
Lo naman eh.
Ouch! Ouch! Sakit nga! Dito to! Masakit
Ay,
dito!
sumasubay ba?
Dyan, aray ko! Ayan, dyan! Ayan, oo. Mabuti pala talaga na nakakilala mo tong si Sabano. Ang bilis po kung naipanig dito sa silya. Kung dati yun tumawag ka na agad ng ambulansya.
Oo nga po eh. Pasensya ka na kay Lolo kanina. Sadyang makulit lang talaga yun.
Alam mo, swerte siya sa'yo.
Ako rin naman, swerte sa'yo eh.
Bakit?
Didn't you hear what Lolo said? If it weren't for you, I wouldn't have the strength to even lift him. So, I'm happy I've met you, Sab.
Ako din naman eh.
Okay ka lang ba?